Let me show you how we can fix the issue with missing LDAC option in Bluetooth settings on the Motorola Edge 70. So if you connected your Bluetooth device and you are supposed to have LDAC option available over here, but you don't have it anymore, for example, you lost after some time, then in that case, what you might want to do is you want to check the app that you probably downloaded for your Bluetooth device. In my case, for my earbuds, I downloaded this app. And in here, if I go to the settings of my earbuds, I can find the sound quality settings. And in here, I have the connection quality set as the priority over the sound quality. And this is the reason why I don't have LDAC option. So you need to switch to the sound quality to make the sound quality the priority. And then if you go back to the settings, as you can see now, we do have LDAC option. So essentially, if you downloaded an app for your Bluetooth device, check the quality settings, the sound quality settings, and make sure that the sound is the priority. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.